How can I make my Bermuda lawn thicker? And this is from Ken. So he wants to make the Bermuda thicker.
Well, like I said, no, you like that thick turf in there, when that thick grass look really good in there. One of the things that you cut it at the right height. You cut it at the right height, and you fertilize, getting the right amount of fertilizer, and you're watering it in there. When you cut it a lot, sometimes it'll thicken up more.
Right.
But a healthy turf don't do that. No, make it thicker in there. You got to go right, getting the right amount of water. You cut it at the right height, and everything, all the nutrients is good in there. Your pH is good, your phosphate good, your potassium is good. That grass will get thicker in there when you do that. You know, you don't want to give too much phosphate and potassium fertilizer because that can build up in the soil. But normally nitrogen fertilizer leaches its way out. It'll come in and do its job, turn it green and make it grow and leach its way out. And that's where you can make your grass thicker in there. They're good culture patches and do that. And cut it. And like I said, I cut mine twice a week. and that make it grow, and then that make it thicken up a little more in there. A weak grass, and it's not gonna thicken up. If grass under stress, it's not gonna thicken up like this. You'll see you have thin spots in there.
Right. So cultural practices are important, and we want to make sure the Bermuda has full sunlight.
Yeah.
Right. Full sunlight.
Full sunlight. Yeah.
Right. It's what it likes. No shade.
No
because,
shade.
of course.
I done had that problem too. My grass had a tree in there, and the grass beginning to thin out on that tree. As the tree get older, the leg more shade get in there, the Bermuda grass gonna thin out.
Right. So give it full sunlight.
Full sunlight.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.